This is Jiangmen. It's about a 1.5-hour drive from Shenzhen. With search popularity on social media, it's only 7% of Shenzhen. The Jiangmen team trains here at least 3 times a week. Their goal is very simple. They hope that through football, their hometown will finally be seen by the country.
我一辈子只为家乡出战了1次，主场是很烂的场地，穿的是布鞋。
Huang Zihao, the head coach of the Jiangmen team, with no background as a professional player, he spent 13 years working hard in the big cities and finally becoming a professional coach. What fuels his pursuit of this dream is not just a passion for football, but a commitment to giving back to his hometown. By using his own journey to inspire his players, his speech has recently gone viral.
我可以帮助我的家乡，这就是我为家乡而战的初衷。兄弟们，上场去创造属於你們的歷史！加油，加油！
之前有冇係去刻意策劃呢一段演講嘅？
其實冇嘅，都係即興會多啲咯。始終咁耐以嚟係第一次有代表隊嘅主場啦，咁自己亦都係即係心潮澎湃咯。而家出咗去13年，兜咗一 round， 跟住翻嚟，咁對比我會同細個嗰陣時嘅我會講咧，哇！你呢個真係有少少不切實際啊！我自細其實唔算話有乜嘢好專業嘅訓練啦。畢業之後就得益於嗰陣時，我哋有廣東係全國最早做一個珠超聯賽啦，5人制嘅半職業嘅聯賽啦。咁我哋當地亦都球隊啦，咁我就入咗隊嘅。後尾我就開始嘗試去做教練。
裡面一個傳球質量的問題，第二，沒有你們3個人沒有分配好誰去哪個點。
對比於嗰啲如果係踢緊職業11人，跟住退落嚟轉型做教練嘅嗰啲咧，我哋係真係需要行多好多路咯。咁呢10幾年嚟，我係幼稚園入過啦，中小學入過啦，跟住社會嘅機構嗰啲減肥班啊，到一啲企業隊啊、成人隊啊，咁再到一啲中冠嘅球隊，即係叫做係成個青訓階段嘅所有年齡，我哋自己都要經歷過一次咯。
好啦，Go Go Go！
今次突然間咁有個粵超有咁樣嘅機會，咁其實第2輪咧，我哋有22,000幾個觀眾去入場睇波啦。咁其實相當於中冠絕對係冇嘅。咁中乙都唔一定有，可能去到中甲咁樣頭部嘅球隊咧，先會有咁樣嘅一啲上座率咯。咁所以對於我自己嚟講，嗰個衝擊係好大。話13年前出去嘅時間咧，就真係希望係有一日自己學到嘢啦，就可以翻嚟幫翻江門嘅足球嘅。咁今年就真係有個咁樣嘅機會咯。我哋嗰個城市透過球隊可以令到更多人知道嘛。
對手係一個魔鬼主場3萬幾人嘅球隊絕對係一個挑戰嚟嘅絕對係一個挑戰。
就是我取得进球之后，我听到整个球场球迷的呐喊都是十分的大声。因为小时候的梦想，职业赛场也是有10分多的球迷，现在粤超这个舞台也10分的多的观众来现场支持我们，这也让我算是圆了一个小小的梦想。对我这么多年的努力也是一种肯定吧。毕竟我们也是通过层层考核、层层选拔，排除了很多困难之后，才能代表家乡、代表江门这个城市为城市而战。希望下一场比赛对阵湛江也能取得进球。